Here are 4 top common issues reported by Threads users according to the internet. Number 1, battery drain. Many users have complained about the app consuming their smartphone's battery at a rapid rate. Number 2, privacy concerns. Threads has been described as a potential privacy nightmare, with concerns raised about the app's data collection practices. Users have expressed worries about the collection of location data and other recordings of their environment. Number 3, lack of features. Threads is still missing several features that users appreciated on platforms like Twitter, such as a desktop version, direct messaging, trending topics, and the option to share links. Number 4, enforcement of community guidelines. Threads is subject to Instagram's community guidelines, and users can report violations. Now, this raises concerns about potential censorship and the impact of freedom of expression. For Khaleej Times, this is Yasmin, and behind the camera is Rahul. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.